Okay, next up we have Kevin. What's up, man? We're going to do back. You pick box number 10, 2013 Prestige. Starting off, die cut acetate, Tony Gonzalez, type break. Autograph, number 200, Philip Thomas. Okay. Gavin Escobar, rookie. Le'Veon Bell, and Tavon Austin. Eddie Lacy, and $3.99 Jonathan Franklin. Theo Riddick. Marcus Wheaton and Kerwin Williams. Landry Jones, Ray Graham. Joseph Randall, Kenny Stills. Elite comes out this week, I think. Justin Hunter, Barkevius Mingo. Connor Vernon, not numbered though, rookie points. And Keenan Allen. Let's see, Terrence Williams and Kenyon Barner. Denard Robinson, Ellington. Kristen, oh, that's autographed. Kristen Michael. And Marquise Goodwin. Insert of Aaron Dobson and Marquise Wilson. Joe Flacco, just a jersey. Gamer's jersey. Oh, there we go. Rookie, Derek Rogers. Geno Smith, Eric Fisher. Joseph Randall, Robert Woods. Tyler Eifert and Geno. Rookie. There's a purple extra point, Andre Johnson. And a rookie of Jarvis Jones. Eric Reed. And a rookie of Terrence Williams. Denard Robinson, Datone Jones. Be right there, I'm in a video. How many hits we have? I think we have 4 already. Oh, there's a sparkle. Aaron Dobson. That one's number 200, and Rodney Smith. Inside the numbers, Andy Dalton and Juwan Jameson. Tyler Eifert, insert and rookie. And the last pack here, Kevin, will be Jonathan Franklin, Kevin Minter. So to recap, we have Joe Flacco jersey, Kristen Michael on-card autograph, Jersey of, which one's that? Jonathan Franklin, $3.99, and Philip Thomas, number 200. Autograph. Cool. That'll do it. Kevin, I appreciate it, bro, as always, and I'll get it on the way.